Agari na dumu Isomero lo St. Louis Gilgore Memorial Bahai Tilingi Primary School adu kena anu itetiaka engala udna esisiaka lepo Isomero
erai ya mama kosne polo no ai na maji ai unaka Bahai na ara ikoto mokare kanyilo atuboros aduko kisisho itogo ilo kimwalimu itomonangon konye ijake ni mwalimu itomonare weperete otogo itomonare apoloke ya togo yari emamioti mwalimu duedo kerelo jaso somerelu eraske kerelu kumtedo pekede akaisoni waindo jobone be iyata kinero lumente noi lo ejayo somero itirana jokede imwalimu eresho angini mwalimu ishana kini otomosemeralo Idwe akaisa kanyoni alokan kwenye kotomaneke o Uganda kere balati apuganebe mwalimu edopete ishana ki Idwe akwata Idwe akaisa kai alu uni so ngesi lipitore apugan engara kene show ayata kene mwalimu to musomero
so adu kena ngone nda wana anyun ekotozi bokesida oje ponelo idariri iborene pola kere ngesingini berebe erai beroni asesene boboneni dabe ariko tone ojasi togo ilu ekoto jasi le perete toma
Emani mana lo Isomeroi Kongora District Geoffrey Milton Okuna nyesabalebe ketekinai ikisila lu ai tolome sishak tetere namba jesunu kwap.
I want to suggest that we can control the enrollment of the school. So what I want to propose is that School Management Committee and Administration, you fix the time for registration or admission of learners and put there, for example, that every classroom accommodates only 50 learners. You say each of the learners in a classroom will be dressed in uniform. If a child has no bag for carrying books, has no shoes, has no uniform, has not paid for money, that one is not admitted to our school.
Edda keni tungalu auriakalu bonbe ekote namba nikoni ne do kwa na Idwe ngone saletore ai velocity engo au mishoit ka balango bonbe obia kinai Isomero lo kape boarding school do wayata kinai imwalimu ne nipu nari imwalimu ne jako pana itomana ribon
akiro na nomoriti on kape kuzengare nun be poti duene ai mado etengei onkwera uriak ara ibererai ewujida emunari
John Michael Okiror engareno lo abuai kiti apete tight una kaluka Bahai nyesabalebe kapakine dini kech ai yata kiti ai ganyite Somero kanu ai keur ashoman.
No, the Bahai faith came to Uganda in 1951. School was started because one of the principles of the Bahai faith is universal education. Even before the NRM government talked about universal education, the Bahai faith had already talked about it.
And she was actually requested by Mr. Ali Nakjavani to help Uganda. And that's how we've named the library after Mr. Ali Nakjavani, one of the believers who brought the faith to Uganda.
Kanua TV East, Tolbert Edait Kongora District.